Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn verification for brand trust, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the LinkedIn website or open the LinkedIn app. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Check for any notifications regarding your verification status. If your verification is inactive, locate the verification section. Click on the Verify option. Review the requirements displayed for verification. Gather the necessary documents that prove your identity or brand ownership. Ensure that your documents are clear and current. Upload the required documents as prompted. Double-check all entries in uploaded files for accuracy. Submit your verification request. Monitor your email for notifications from LinkedIn regarding your request. Be prepared to respond promptly if LinkedIn requests additional information. After a review period, check your LinkedIn profile for updates on your verification status. If verification is successful, you will see a badge indicating your status. If verification is denied, take note of the reasons provided. Make any necessary corrections to your profile or documentation. Resubmit your verification request if applicable. Continue to engage with your network to build brand trust. Maintain consistency in your profile information. Regularly review your verification status to ensure it remains active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.